friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our sixth question. What is that? They are given that in a one circle, they are given OACB is a one quadrant of a circle. Quadrant means if you take any one shape, if you divide into four equal parts, in that one part you can call it as one quadrant. That is the way. So one quadrant means it is looking like one sector. Yes, isn't it so? So it is one sector. And what is the value of shaded region? So here, what is the area of this shaded region? We have to find it. So what is the area of shaded region? In order to find area of shaded region, first we have to find what is the OACB quadrant, that area minus area of the triangle, so that one we have to find it, area of the triangle we have to find it. So what is the formulas, what is the given data, we have to find it. So here given that OACB is a quadrant of a circle, then what is the next one? So it is OACB is a sector. OACB is a sector at making angle AOB will be equal to 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. So at the center of the circle it's making 90 degrees. That is the one. Then what is the area of the sector? So area of sector OACB by area of circle. So we have to take, if you don't know any three quantities that are given, we have to take ratios for the fourth one. So area of the sector, that is making angle x degrees by 360 degrees. So area of sector, this is, so angle making with the sector at the center will be x degrees. The total circle angle will be equal to 360 degrees. Then area of, let's find area of sector OACB will be equal to x degrees by 360 into area of circle. So what is the area of circle? That is x degrees will be equal to 90 degrees by 360 into pi r square. So here what is the radius? So they are given that 3.5 as a radius. What is that? Radius will be equal to 3.5. Don't get confused. Here area, radius will be equal to, this is radius and this is radius. So radius will be equal to, so what value we are getting? 3.5, 90 by 360 into pi will be equal to 3.14, right? Or 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. So this is the one, 3.5 into 3.5. So let's going to calculate. 9 ones are 9, 4s are 9, 4s are 91s are 94s are 360. Then 4 2 2s are, then 2 11s are. So 2 11s are, 2 2s are, then 7. You can take 11 by, so 11 by 11 into 3.5 into 3.5 by 2 7s are 14. So this is the one. 3.5 into 3.5 by 14. Let's going to write as it is 11 by 14 into, what is that? 3.5. 3.5, that is 3.5. What you can write it here is, you can write 10 by 10. Yes, into 3.5 into 10 by 10. Can you write it like this or not? Can you write like this or not? Why? Because 10 will going to cancel and 3.5 will get as it is. So 11 by 14 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. So by which one we can cancel it? So 2, 5 7s are, 5 2s are, 5 7s are, 5 2s are. So here what answer we are getting? 5 7s, 7 by 2, 7 by 2, that is 11 into 7 7s are 49 by 14 into 2 2s are 4. So this is the one. So 11 into 49 by 14 into 4. So 11 into 49, we will get it as 539 by 56. So if you cancel it, we will get it as 9.625. 9.625. What is that? We are calculated centimeter, 9.625 centimeter square. Now what we have to find it? Area of the triangle. Area of triangle. What is that? DOB. DOB half into base into height. So what is the height? Height will be equal to 2 centimeter. Don't get confused. The height of the triangle. So half into base is 3.5 into height is 2. 2 will going to cancel. We will get it as 3.5 centimeter square. Finally, what you can write it here as, so therefore area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region will be equal to, what you can write, area of sector. Area of sector, that is OA CB minus area of triangle. Area of triangle, what is that? DOB. So area of sector, that is 9.625 minus 3.5. So what value we are getting here? So 6.125 centimeter square. So this is the value. Final answer is 6.125. So this is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.